Hello everyone, I am Srashti Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in IIMT College of Pharmacy, Greater Noida. Today, we are going to discuss about quality assurance and quality management concept, which comes under pharmaceutical quality assurance. So, the content which we are going to discuss is quality assurance, principle and objective of quality assurance, functions and components of quality assurance, methods of quality assurance. This is the whole part which we are going to discuss about quality assurance. Now proceed for quality control. So for quality control, we are going to discuss about quality control, objective and responsibilities of quality control, methods of quality control, differences between quality assurance and quality control, and the last topic which we are going to cover is GMP. GMP is good manufacturing practices. So we are going to cover about GMP is aim and objective of GMP, components of GMP. So let's start with quality assurance. To understand the quality assurance, first we should know about quality and assurance individually. So, quality is simply state fit for use or fit for purpose. Quality is all about meeting the needs and expectation of consumers with respect to functionality, design, reliability, durability, and price of the product. Father of quality is J.M. Zoran. So, according to J.M. Zoran, 1917, quality is the performance of product as per the commitment made by the producer to consumer. So, quality metrics is customer satisfaction, user rating, failure rate, service quality, quality control, and defect rate. Now, what is assurance? Assurance is a positive declaration on the product or the services which gives confidence. Assurance is basically provide a guarantee that the product will work without any problem as per the expectations and the requirement or the specifications. Now, collectively, what is quality assurance? So, according to WHO, quality assurance is a wide range of concepts covering all matters that individually or collectively influence the quality of the product or quality of the end product. With regards to pharmaceuticals, quality assurance can be divided into major areas such as development, quality control, production, distribution, and inspection. Quality assurance is the heart and the soul of the quality control. Quality assurance work collectively with quality control and GMP. Principle and objectives of quality assurance. Principle of quality assurance is to assure that the pharmaceutical products are of quality required for their intended use or intended purpose. Quality assurance therefore incorporated GMP and other factors, including those outside the scope of this guideline, such as product design and product development. So, products should suitable for intended purpose, which means fit for use. So products should be fit for use, and secondary, mistakes should be eliminated, which means right first time. Now the objective of quality assurance are first, quality assurance verifying the quality of raw materials as well as the finished product. Quality assurance monitoring the plant environment and supervising GMP, that is good manufacturing practices. And quality assurance play a major role in inspecting GLP, good laboratory practices, which is regarding GMP is related with the manufacturing and GLP is related with the laboratory. Now the functions and the components of the quality assurance. So major function of the quality assurance is to assess operations continually and to advise and guide them towards full compliance with all application, internal and external regulation. Quality assurance department is mainly responsible for ensure that the quality policies adopted by a company or a organization. It helps to identify and prepare the necessary SOPs related to the control of the quality. Quality assurance is basically responsible for quality monitoring or audit function. It prepares master plans for entire procedure. मतलब quality assurance people are basically prepare the master file for the entire process which are going to follow. So next is component of quality assurance. Quality assurance have basically three components. First is strategic level. Strategic level is include quality policies. All policies which are related with the qualities comes under strategic label. Next is tactical label. Tactical label is all include training, operation and facilities of quality assurance. And last one is operational level. Operational level is basically deals with SOPs. SOP is standard operating procedure. Now the methods of quality assurance. Quality assurance basic have three methods. First, failure testing, then statistical process control, and last one is total quality management. So failure testing is ensure product physical strength by testing product heat, vibration, and pressure. Whereas for software products, failure testing might involve placing the software under high usage conditions. Next method is statistical process control. It is based on the data and analysis objective. It used to manage the control the production of the products. Now, last one is total quality management, that is TQM. TQM is integration of all functions and processes to achieve continuous improvement of the quality of goods and services. Now, the next topic is quality control. So basically, what is quality control? Quality control is the part of GMP which concerned with sampling, specification, documentation, testing, and release procedures which ensure that the necessary and relevant testing are performed and the product is reliable for use only after ascertaining its quality. It is a system of maintaining standards in manufactured product by testing up sample of the output against the specification. According to ISO 9000, the quality control is a part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirement. And ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Now, next is steps of quality control. So, quality control involve various steps. First is quality labs. Quality labs, then second is sampling, third is validation, fourth is batch inspection and sampling, fifth is retended samples, sixth is analysis of finished product, and last is records. Objectives and responsibilities of quality assurance. So first, the objectives of quality assurance are they play a role in the error reduction and establish quality and standard product. They play a role in the evaluation of methods and process of production, promote cost reduction, analyze extent of quality deviation in process, production of quality, accelerate- accelerated sales of goods, promotion of exports due to superior and standard quality production. Now, the responsibilities of quality assurance. Quality control. Quality control is basically responsible for day-to-day control of quality within the organization or within the company. It is also responsible for analytical testing of incoming raw materials and inspection of packing components, including labeling. Any variation in the quality of the product are mainly due to variation in the raw material, personnel, method, and procedure of production and inspection. Quality assurance play a major role in the selection of qualified vendors from which raw material are purchased. In order to produce a quality product, these variations need to be checked and controlled. Now, the methods of quality control. There are various methods of quality control involved. First, Pareto chart. Next, fishbone diagram, which is also known as Ishikawa diagram. Next is check sheet, then controls chart. Next one is stratification, then histogram, then scatter diagram. These all methods are responsible for quality control. Now the difference between quality assurance and quality control. So quality assurance basically a preventive method, whereas quality control is a corrective method. Quality assurance aims to prevent defect, whereas quality control aims to identify and fix defect. Quality assurance defined standards and procedures that need to be adhered to in order to meet customer requirement, whereas quality control ensure that standards are followed while working on the product. Quality assurance helps build processes, while quality control helps implement the existing processes. Quality assurance is a managerial tool, whereas quality control is a corrective tool. Quality assurance is the duty of complete project team, while quality control is only the duty of the testing team. Quality assurance is a process-oriented exercise, while quality control is the product-oriented exercise. Quality assurance is a human-based checklist of documents or files, whereas quality control is computer-based program. Quality assurance is generally not a time-consuming activity, while quality control is a time-consuming activity because various test methods involved in quality control. Quality assurance process are planned to prevent defects, while quality control process are planned to discover defect and fix them. Quality assurance activities are determined before production work beginning and performed while product is being developed, whereas quality control activities are performed after the product is developed. Quality assurance comes under the category of verification, while quality control comes under the category of validation. And our last topic is GMP, that is good manufacturing process practices. So basically, what is GMP? GMP is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality system. Primarily aim of GMP is to managing and minimizing the risk inherent in pharmaceutical manufacture to ensure that the quality, efficacy, and the safety of the product. According to WHO, GMP is the part of quality management which ensure that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards appropriate to their intended use and as required by marketing authorization, product specification, and clinical trial authorization. GMP is introduced by Government of India. Basically, Government of India amendment the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1925 on 24th June 1988 and prescribed GMP in Schedule M. GMP comes under Part 2 of Schedule M. Aim and objective of GMP. Basic aims of GMP are minimizing the risk inherent in pharmaceutical production, while more broadly to be classified into first, unexpected contamination of the product causing damage of health or even death. Second, incorrect label on containers, which could mean that patient received the wrong medication. Next is insufficient or too much active ingredient, which result in ineffective treatment or adverse effect. And the objective of GMP includes eliminate errors, improve efficiency, conformance to the predetermined specification, prevent risk, minimize contamination, produce product of consistent quality, and eliminate errors. Now, last is component of GMP. GMP involve various components such as quality management system, quality assurance, GMP for medicinal product, quality control, sanitization and hygiene, qualification and validation, complaints, personal and training, premises, equipment, material, documentation, holding and distribution, self-inspection, audit. This is all about today's topic. Thank you.